Look at my big girl. I love it. Oh, Edie, you don't even know how Mama wishes that she rode a horse when she was not even 2 yet. But I get to give you everything that I didn't get to do.
Like, she looks so good in all purple.
But Mama got to do lots when she was a kid too. Mom, I'm not trying to say I did have an awesome childhood, just wish I had a pony, that's all.
I had a pony when I was 3.
Well, Edie is getting one.
That's because Grandma spoiled me.
Edie, are you doing so good, Pumpkin?